Hey, welcome back to the shop, folks. Check out what we're working on today. Got a Bigfoot. He having a little issue cranking. It's intermediate. Sometimes he fires off, sometimes he pull and can't get no fire. So I will buy a nice little Predator 212 engine. Got a battery, but it does not have electric start, so I ended up pulling that spark plug out to make it a little easier to test. I got my spark tester set up right here, and I'm gonna see if I can't try to figure out why we're not getting any fire. I got nothing there. There you go. You see this little gold box? There's a little black wire comes out of it. We'll see if I can unplug that. This gold box right here, this is actually your low oil shutdown switch. That nut right there goes inside of the block. There's a float on the other side of it. It senses when the oil is at a low point and grounds out the engine, killing it, saving your engine. These were used on pressure washers and generators, things like that, that if it got knocked off, you might not have seen it. But on a go-kart, you're going to be going uphill. If you go uphill, the oil's going to back away from this. You're not going to be there for a long period of time, but you could experience engine cut off with you. And the same if you were riding on the incline on the side. So I'm going to disconnect this. I'll secure it back, and we'll go from there. Got it unplugged. Now, let's see if we got some spark this time. Oh yeah. There we go. All right, let's put a spark plug back in it and see if it'll crank up. Well, let's just go ahead and see if that took care of the issue. We'll go ahead and get some spark plug in here. I want to hear this girl run. Get thread that thing in there from my fingers. A lot of threads. I don't want to booger them. Heck yeah. Snug him up. Boot back down on there. I want to hear it click. Let's bust it off and make sure she runs. And more importantly, let's make sure it turns back on. Oh, God, we can't have a child running down the road. Should be on the road. We can't have a child running around the yard and can't shut this thing off. Give her a little choke. Bust it off. Oh yeah! That's what we're talking about right there. Excellent. Hey, it turned off. That's a bonus. Folks, that's the same oil shutdown systems on a lot of these Honda clone engines. Won't fire off for you. You might want to check that. Folks, that's a short, sweet little repair. Probably gonna run into that if you own any kind of a piece of equipment that's got those Honda or Honda clone engines on it. I see it more so than not that that's an issue with it not cranking. Take a minute, look at it. Ensure that you've got oil in the crankcase before you do that. It may be doing its job and letting you know you need to do yours. I appreciate y'all checking out. Think about it. How about one of them there thumbs